Yes, Anna?
No, teacher.
Okay. So now our today's topic is count your garden. Let's see
Garden.
what is there in this lesson. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. What does it say? It says that we have to count your garden by the flowers. Garden को देखना है flowers के तरफ से. Means good perspective. Okay? ये नहीं देखना है कि कितने dry leaves पड़े हैं, right? कितने twigs पड़े हैं, वो नहीं देखना. हमें क्या देखना है? We have to see flowers. What we have to see?
Flowers.
Yes, flowers. Count your days by golden hours. What happened, Kedar? Kedar, क्या learn कर रहे हो? Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Means we have to count our beautiful days, है ना? ये नहीं कि हमें वो ऐसा दिन थे वैसे दिन थे. Not that way. We have to count our golden hours, जो golden time बीता है, जो हंसते खेलते हुए we spend our time with the joy, happiness. We have to remember, we have to recall, we have to count those hours. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. If we are seeing in the sky at night, so we should see the stars, not the shadows. Okay. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And we have to count our life how smile के साथ में. Not always कि oh मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, वैसा नहीं है. We should not cry. And with joy on every birthday. हर साल हमें क्या होना चाहिए? बर्थडे पे हैप्पी होना चाहिए. Count your age by friends, not the years. ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि 1 year also we are getting less and we move forward. हमारा age बढ़ते ही जा रहा है and for that we are feeling sad. It's not like that. We should always be happy. We should count your age by friends, not years. हम लोग को अपने friends count करने चाहिए, not the years. Okay, so what it says means what you understand from this poem.
कि कभी सैड नहीं रहना चाहिए. Always we have to happy.
Yeah, we have to happy, we have to positive. कोई चीजों को देखने का जो perception होना चाहिए, that also positive. ये नहीं देखना है कि leaves गिर गई है. We have to see, oh wow, what beautiful flowers garden have, right? So garden has a beautiful flowers. We should not see कि oh इतना garden में leaves have fallen, dry leaves, yeah. ये झाड़ कैसा है. We should not see all that. We should see the greenery. Oh wow, what a beautiful garden, right? So our perception should be positive. We should look forward and we think positive. कोई भी चीज को लेके दुखी होना ये सब नहीं होता. दुखी होने से क्या होगा? Does that things will happen differently the way we want? No. जिसका जब समय रहता है only that time it's going to be happen. So we should not feel sad, right? So now can you read? Kedar, what are you learning, beta?
Poem of
Come on, see. Yes, Kedar. Come on, start reading. Kedar. Yes, Ali, you start.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, start.
Lesson number 12. Count your garden. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your day by golden hours. Do not remember cloud at all. Count the night by star, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years.
Okay. Kedar, just read it.
Count your garden. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hair. Don't remember clouds at all. Count your night by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years.
Okay, very good. Bhavya, read it. Or are you busy in school, Bhavya?
Okay.
Okay, read it.
Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, though count your age by friends, not years.
Okay. So we have to count only our beautiful times, beautiful things. We should live, see everything beautiful. We see everything positive way, right? So this is all about our lessons. So what 5 things this poem tells us to count? क्या क्या count करने को बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर?
Garden, flowers,
Garden में
golden
flowers.
hours,
और क्या? Second is
Not shadows.
नहीं, count
the
क्या
golden
बोल रहे हैं?
hours,
Golden hours
the golden hours, and smiles,
yes,
smiles in the life.
yes, and yeah, smile and
Just
Age,
yeah,
teacher age,
count your age by friends, yes, and stars. So this is about our lessons. Okay, this lesson, this is the poem Bird Bath. In our garden we have made such a pretty little pool lined with the pebbles neatly laid, filled with the water clean and cool. Can you see here? There is a pool. Yes.
bird was bathing,
Yeah. So birds are what they are doing. Our pebbles means what?
bathing,
Pebbles means what? That small stones, right? Pebbles देखा होगा ना, जैसे मार्बल बॉल्स के साथ खेलते हैं वो स्मॉल
yes teacher,
marble stones जो रहते हैं. So that kind of pebbles are there. So it is lined, मतलब अच्छे से वो pool बनाया गया है. Filled with the water, clean and cool. And the water in the pool is clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Which birds are coming here? Robin, right? Robin cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Flutter down we have seen ना, ऐसे उड़कर अंदर जाते हैं. Yeah. So they are going down to drink water. Then they splash and splash and splash. Means for ऐसे जब wings up and down stroke होते हैं, that time what happens? The water splash, right? Spattering little sharp, right? All around till of they splash, singing sweetly their delight. And they are मतलब water के साथ shower हो जाता है उनका, and they just what happened? They start singing their delight. Even हम भी जब ऐसा पानी मिल जाता है तो we feel so happy. बारिश में भीगते हैं तो we are feeling happy, right? We are feeling so delight. They are singing sweetly their delight. So this is what about the bird bath. For bird they have made a pool, and the water is cool and clean, and it is made up of pebbles. And afterwards, when the sun shines, the warm and high robin cluster round its spring. They comes there, they flying and they flutter down to drink. Afterwards, when they are going into the water, they are just splashing. So when they flashing, they feel so like singing sweetly. Clear this poem? Ali, just read it.
Yes, teacher.
Read it.
Lesson number 15, bird bath. In our garden, we have made such a pretty like pool. Little pool.
Yeah.
Lined with pebbles, neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round in brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, splattering little shower bright all around till of their flesh, singing sweetly their delight.
Yeah. So this is about the bird bath. How they are taking bath. Kedar, tell me how birds are taking bath.
He can enter the tub and
that is pool. That is pool. Yeah.
And his other splash.
They are splashing, right? So this way. So in exam, like in one para, so some like blanks will be given. So you have to complete the blanks, right? Now it's your online exam or written offline exam. How it going to be? Or it is online written exam?
टीचर, मेरा पेपर में लिखने का एग्जाम और फिर स्कूल में जाके सबमिट करने का है.
Okay, that way you are having. Okay. So this way might come for in your exam, like the 2 lines are given, then other 2 lines are given blank that you have to complete. Okay. So out of
Yes,
this 3
teacher.
para, any one might come. Now can you see there is also given in that way only? Yes. Can you see? Now Kedar, read the poem. Kedar.
Bird bath 15. In your garden, when has made such a pretty little pool.
Pretty little pool.
With
pebbles.
Neatly laid, filled with water, clean and cool.
Okay.
When the sun warms head high, robin clouds round it drink. Never one comes fly by, but will falters down the drink.
Okay.
Then splash and splash, sparrows splatting, little sparrows bring all around till of they flash, singing sweetly their delight.
Yeah. Now, see here. What are the rhyming words over here? Can you name a few rhyming words here? Can you list out few rhyming words?
Teacher.
Yeah.
Made, led.
Yeah.
Pool, cool.
Okay, Ali. Okay. Now, Kedar, tell me second para. Few rhyming words.
Drink.
Yeah, very good. Fine. Now, Bhavya, few rhyming words from third para.
Flash, bright, delight.
Very good, 3 of you. Nice. Now, meanings. If you want to write, you can write in your textbook beside there only. Okay. Now, lined means what you can say? Lined. Lined means what you can say? Lined means it is arranged. Yes, arranged in a, you can take another word for lined.
Yes, teacher.
You can write line another word like border. Okay, so you can write जैसे pebbles, how pebbles are arranged in a thick way, in a border way, right? So write down lined means border. Written. Now cluster means a group. What is given in your school? See, I am generally giving, but what is given in your school that you have to learn. I am just making you understand what does it mean. Okay. Now brink. Brink means you can see they are at the corner of the pool, means like a, we can say here border of the pool. Yes. So brink you can say border. और flash क्या होता है? What is the flash?
Teacher, एकदम फास्ट से बोलना.
What you are saying?
Flying quickly.
Flash.
Yes, teacher, flying quickly.
Okay. So whatever given the meaning in your school that you have to learn for the exam. Okay. Now, can you see here what is given in here to complete? Rewrite the following lines in your own words. Never one comes flying by but flutter down to drain. Dash till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. What will come over here?
All around.
All around. Fine. So this is all about this lessons. So this lesson we are going to do in the next class, and I will be assign you a characters. Okay, we all are 4, right? So we all 4 going to play this character in the next class, and that way we will say the we will have the conversation amongst ourselves. Fine. So next
Yes, teacher.
next when we have this English on Tuesday, right? So before Tuesday only I will tell you which character you have to play, and that way we all 4 going to be have that way conversation. Fine.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This poem also remaining, right?